Raffles Design is well known for their design programs in Asia and Europe. My aunt, who graduated from the fashion design program at Raffles Design Singapore campus, has recommended me to study here under the mentorship of our Principal Joe SPINELLI and his pool of international creative practitioners. Raffles Design's extensive network of industry partnership and collaborations also prepare me to take on real-life projects and be industry-ready. It's because I get to meet industry partners, collaborate with them, meeting new friends and also teachers that really help me in both of my personal and professional growth. During my course at Study at Raffles, I took part in the Regina Fang Oriental Fashion Design Competition, Without Fashion Exhibition as part of the Singapore Design Week, Harper's BAZAAR NewGen Fashion Competition as top 6 finalists, and winning the Society of Dyers and Colourists International Award in UK. As a young fashion design graduate, I would define my personal success as the ability to contribute to the fashion industry as a designer with strong passion for sustainability. I'm also proud to graduate ahead of my peers and start my design career early. These are my pieces from my collection, and I would like to thank Raffles Design for the whole journey, opportunity, advices, and guidance throughout my studies here. Come study at Raffles!